Good afternoon, everyone. My voice audible or not? How are you, all of you?
We are fine, ma'am.
Ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Beta. Okay. So today our topic is cell and tissue and glands, right? Cell, tissue, membrane and glands, है ना? Firstly, on your video, all of you. सभी अपना वीडियो ऑन करें. All of you on your video. All of you on your video. So सभी ने स्टडी किया है सेल टिश्यू सेल का प्रीवियस क्लास हो गया है राइट
Yes, ma'am.
So what is cell?
Cell is a structural and functional unit of organ.
Okay. Cell form the structural unit of all tissue and organs of the body, right? And different cell perform a different function. Okay. Nerve cell help in conduction and cell of intestine help in absorption like. Okay. And muscle cells help in contraction like. Okay. So different cell perform a different function. Okay, and this is a cell. Okay, so हो रहा है सभी को?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so cell consists of three main parts, है ना? Cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. Okay, so cell membrane means cytoplasm of a cell is bound on the outer aspect by cell membrane, है ना? Which is also known as plasma membrane or plasma lemma, है ना? It is 7.5 mm thick and it is trilaminar structure, है ना? And their function are maintain the shape of cell and present receptor on the surface of cell membrane. Okay, and it help in exocytosis and endocytosis. Okay, so this is a cell membrane. Okay, कौन सा है cell membrane? शो हो रहा है ना यहाँ पे ये वाला outer surface, right?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? Okay. Then next one is Golgi appearance, है ना? Golgi appearance क्या होता है? It is made up anastomosis tubal form, है ना? So हो रहा है ना सबको tubal form में है ना Golgi appearance. Okay, so this is a tubal form membrane and vesicles and it help in formation of secretory product of carbohydrate. Okay, so this is a Golgi appearance. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And next one is mitochondria. ठीक है? Mitochondria is the double membrane bound organelles. Okay, ये सभी जो है वो क्या है? All ये जितने भी हैं है ना ये सभी क्या है? Organelles हैं है ना? ये क्या है आपका? Cytoplasma, right? And ये सभी क्या है? Organelles, right? So mitochondria double membrane bond organelles है. Okay, all through the shape of mitochondria is variable, but usually it is elongated in Seeger shape. Okay, and each mitochondria consists of main 4 compartments. Okay, outer membrane, inner membrane, matrix, and outer and inner membrane, and space present between the two membranes na, then the connecting enzymes. Okay, so this is a mitochondria, and inner membrane is thrown into folded. Okay, this is called a chrysalis, but for your information only enough are like it is double membrane bonded organelles, mitochondria, and their shape is like elongated and cigar shaped. Okay, so this is a mitochondria. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Mitochondria, after that cytoplasma, है ना? Cytoplasma. So it is an substance in which cytoskeletal is displayed, which organelles and bodies are suspended. Means membrane bonded bodies in the cytoplasm are known as cell organelles. है ना? So the organelles found in a cell are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi appearance, है ना? Mitochondria, ribosome, centrosome, and lysosome. Cytoplasma. Understood, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
then ribosomes. Okay, ribosomes in a complex of RNA and protein. Okay, and they're freely in cytoplasm of cell, are found attached to endoplasmic reticulum, or can even be present in the mitochondria. Okay, they are the principal organelles involved in protein synthesis. Their function, their physiology is protein synthesis. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then next one is lysosome. Okay, they are vesicle-like structure na, and which contain enzymes which include potassium, means carbohydrate, lipase, है ना? This is a enzymes, and carbohydrate is the normal protein. Okay, so lysosomal enzymes help in destruction of bacteria. Okay, all cells contain lysosomes except mature erythrocyte like. Okay, and next one is centrosomes. What is centrosomes? So there is a pair of centrioles in each cell. Okay, and each centriole has two cylindrical body placed at right angle to each other. Okay, they help in synthesis of microtubules during cell division. Okay, this is their function. Their physiology function is synthesis of microtubules during cell division. Okay, then endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, endoplasmic reticulum means, what is endoplasmic reticulum? Mainly two types है ना? Endoplasmic reticulum, rough and smooth, है ना? So endoplasmic reticulum is a double membrane bounded. Okay, and this is a interconnected network of tubules and vesicles. Okay, and rough endoplasmic and smooth endoplasmic reticulum na. So rough endoplasmic reticulum is involved in synthesis of protein, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum is involved in lipid synthesis. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. The next one is nucleus, है ना? Nucleus इसमें सभी को शो हो रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a nucleus. Okay. This is the largest organelle of the cell and consists of a nuclear membrane surrounding the nucleoplasma. Okay, and nucleus is suspended in the nucleoplasm. Okay, and nucleus also consists of nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, and nucleus. Na? So nuclear membrane is double membrane bonded structure. Okay, and nuclear membrane consists of numerous pores which regulated the exchange of metabolism between nucleus and cytoplasma, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And nucleoplasm, it is a gel-like substance containing genetic material, because this is the most important organelles cell division. So when the cell is at rest, the nucleoplasm appear as a dark staining, and nucleoplasm contain a thread-like material. Okay, thread-like material called a nuclear chromatin. Okay, nuclear chromatin. This is a chromatin, So हो रहा है ये thread-like, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ये क्या है? थ्रेड लाइक आपको कंटेन रहता है. देन न्यूक्लियस. ओके, सो सेल which are involved with active protein synthesis now have one or more nuclei in their nucleoplasm. Okay, and the ribosomal RNA is transcribed in the nucleus. Okay, so this is a full nuclear. Okay, everyone understood,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then our next topic is tissue. ठीक है? So, what is tissue? Tell me. Anyone idea what is tissue?
Tissue is a group of cells.
Yes, tissue is a human body is made of 4 basic tissue of cells, है ना? Apathic, epithelial tissue mainly 4 type, basic 4 type tissue are present. Epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue, and nerve tissue. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Yes. This is the other part of the and types of the tissue, subtype of the tissue. शो हो रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so firstly, tissue are divided into 4 main parts. Okay, epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nerve tissue. Okay, so epithelial tissue line that external and again subdivided. Epithelial tissue mainly 2 parts. Simple epithelial and stratified epithelial. Connective tissue is divided 2 parts, cell and fibers. Okay, and muscle tissue divided 3 parts, and nerve tissue divided 3 parts. And epithelial tissue subdivided. A simple epithelial is more subdivided 4 parts. Okay, and stratified epithelium is divided again subdivided 3 parts. Okay, so one by one we are study. Okay, so firstly, what is epithelial tissue? So epithelial tissue line that external or internal surface of our body. Okay, it can be endodermal and ectodermal in origin. Okay, and their function mainly protection, secretion, absorption. Okay, so this is a epithelial tissue. Then simple epithelium, first divided simple epithelial. So simple epithelium is called a simple. Okay, when all the cell rest on the basement membrane. Okay, so this is a very normal simple, and simple epithelium divided again sub type so squamous epithelium, so squamous epithelium is one each which cell are flanked with nuclei, budge in the cell, so it allow exchange of substance through, okay, like epithelial living of alveoli, that type. Okay, then second one is cuboidal epithelium, so cuboidal name से ही समझ में आ रहा है, like cube, is one in which cell are like a square cube, where height of the cell is equal, that is a cube, and the width of the cell. Okay, and nucleus is central and round, and its main function is absorption and secretion. Okay, then third is columnar epithelium, this is also name से ही समझ में आ रहा है, is the one of the burden of the height of the cell is greater than the width. Okay, and nucleus is basal and vertically elongated, and their function, main function is protection. Okay, protection, secretion. So this is a columnar epithelium. Okay, then next fourth one is okay stratified epithelium. So pseudo means false. Okay, and stratified means multi-layered. Okay, so as the name suggests, there is fall appears that the epithelium is multi-layered. Okay, in fact, some cells are short, while the other are tall, but all the cell rest on basement membrane. Okay, so this is a fourth type of simple epithelium. Then second, है ना? Second क्या है? Epithelium tissue का second है stratified epithelium, है ना? So what is stratified? Multi-layered epithelium is known as stratified epithelium, ना? First क्या है? Transi-osnal epithelium, है ना? Second one is stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium, and third one is stratified scamentous keratinized epithelium. ठीक है? So first हम read out करते हैं transitional epithelium. Okay, this kind of epithelium line an organ which is distensible, means like urinary bladder होता है ना, वहां पे जो टिश्यू प्रेजेंट होते हैं, ठीक है, वो होते हैं क्या? Transitional epithelium tissue. Okay, then stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium. So it is a multi-layer epithelium in which basal cell are columnar. Okay, and जो हमारे esophagus में present होते हैं, especially. Okay, then third one is stratified squamous keratinized epithelium. It is a multi-layer epithelium, just like a stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium. But here the topmost layer is that keratin, through which water can neither be evaporated from the body as in standing in sun, nor can it be absorbed in the body as well swimming like. Okay, so this is a epithelial tissue. Okay, on everyone on your video. ऑन करो सभी अपना वीडियो. जिसका भी वीडियो ऑन नहीं है मैं उसका अपसेंड करूंगी, ठीक है? Then next one is tissue are four type divided ना, epithelium, connective, muscular and nervous. So first epithelium are completed, then second one is connective tissue, है ना? Connective tissue are also divided mean two parts, है ना? Right? Cell and fibers. ठीक है? So what is cell? What is cell tissue? Firstly, what is connective tissue? Right? So connective tissue, as the name suggests, is connect. Okay, different component of our body. It is made of the cell, fibers. Okay. So adipose tissue. Adipose cell. So like some connective tissue cell, na, matrix is composed of ground substance and fiber. Okay, so this is a connective tissue. Okay, name से ही समझ में आ रहा है connection. Okay, and function is part of our body, brain component of our body. Okay, and medium for exchange of nutrients, metabolic oxygen between blood and cells. Okay, so this is a connective tissue. And what is cell tissue? What is cell connective tissue means? First, na, fibroblast. Fibroblast means the cell which synthesize collagen fiber, elastic fiber, and lays down matrix known as fibroblast. Okay, and second one is fibrocytes. है ना? So when the fibroblasts mature, they are known as fibroblast. Okay, just wait. मैं आप लोग को ये शो करती हूँ, तो आप लोग को अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. What is fibroblast and what is fibroblast? Okay. And everyone on your video. Okay. This is okay, fibroblast and fibrocytes. Okay. Show रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fibroblast.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Synthesize collagen, na? Collagen synthesize and elastic fibers are laid down. Matrix are known as fibroblast. Okay, and fibrocysts means when the fibroblast mature, they are known as fibrocysts. Okay. Then next one is adipose and fat. इसमें से अगर कोई मिस होता है तो फिर मुझे बताना, ठीक है? मैं फिर से आप लोगों को, कहाँ पे आए थे हम, कौन सा हो गया, सेल हो गया, फाइब्रोब्लास्ट हो गया है ना, फाइब्रो साइट्स भी हो गया. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज एडिपोज, है ना? एडिपोज फैट cells. So they are rounded cell, but they are usually present in group. Okay, they get naturally compressed. So many have variable shape, and they have got globule in their cytoplasm, and their function is to store fat in their cytoplasm. Adipose are fat cells. Function is to store fat in their cytoplasm. Okay, and next one is plasma. You know, plasma cell. So rounded to ovoid basophil cell, okay, with cartwheel nucleus, and they are rich in their function, mainly their function is synthesize immunoglobulins. Okay, plasma cells main function is synthesizes immunoglobulin. Okay, just wait, isko bhi main aap log ko show karti hu. What is fat cell and what is plasma cell? Okay. This is a fat cell and this is a plasma cell. Show हो रहा है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fat cell and this is the plasma cell. Okay. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Fat cell, rounded cell, but they are usually present in group. Okay, but plasma cell rounded to avoid basophil cells and with cartwheel nucleus. Okay, and adipose fat cells main function is store fat in their cytoplasm, and plasma cell main function is synthesize immunoglobulins. Okay. Okay, everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, adipose completed. Then next one is fat completed. Then mast cell, huh? Mast cell, na? So mast cell inflammatory reaction cell. Okay, mast cell, they are involved in inflammatory reaction. And macrophages means, macrophages cell means their function is to various foreign particles. Okay, and leukocytes means, leukocyte cells means white blood cells, na? White blood cells are known as the leukocytes. So they are neutrophils like lymphocytes, eosinophils, basophils, monocytes. They have defense action. Okay, defensive action. This is the leukocyte cell. Okay. Then next one is pigment cell. Okay. So import brown color to the screen. Now, import brown color. So when they are present in epidermis, they are present offer protection against ultraviolet rays. Okay, this is a pigment cell. Okay. Then next one is mesenchymal cells. Okay, they are the undifferential cell. They can differentiate into a variety of cell type. Okay, so this is a connective cell tissue. And next one is connective fiber tissue. Okay, so this is the main three types divided, huh? Collagen, elastic, and reticular fibers. So what is collagen? Collagen fibers are flexible but offer great tensile strength. Okay, they found in tendons, ligaments, and all kinds connective tissue in present. Okay, fibers, collagen fibers, and elastic fibers means elastic. है ना, name by name introduce ना, elastic means stretch, है ना, so and then come back, है ना, so to their normal size when stretching force is relieved, so they are found in ligamentum notch, okay, ligamentum flava, and in the wall of large arteries, okay, this is the present of large arteries, okay, fibers, elastic fibers, connective tissue, okay, and reticular fibers means they are a special type of collagen fibers and can be seen only by a special stain, okay, they are seen in the connective tissue framework of like spleen, liver, lymph node, okay, so this is a fiber. Then next one is connective tissue can be, है ना, connective tissue can be, ये हो गया ना connective tissue. Then your next one is muscles tissue, muscular tissue, है ना, mainly three parts are divided na, skeletal, smooth and cardiac, okay, so skeletal muscle means they help in locomotion, है ना, and smooth muscle means they present in vesica of our body, means muscle in the wall of stomach, है ना, this is a smooth muscles, okay, and cardiac muscles means seen only in the heart, okay, cardiac means heart na, so cardiac muscle means seen only in the heart, okay, contraction of this muscle help in pumping of blood throughout our body, so this is the muscular tissue, okay, and just wait, क्लास अगर आप लोग की बीच में ब्रेक होती है तो ऑल ऑफ यू रीजॉइन, ओके, सेम आईडी एंड डेली एनाटॉमी एंड फिजियोलॉजी फॉर सेम आईडी होगा, ठीक है, सो डेली सब इसी आईडी पे ज्वाइन करेंगे, ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so this is a muscular tissue, okay, three types of muscular tissue na, so this is a three type of muscular tissue, okay, firstly skeletal muscles, है ना, so हो रहा है सबको skeletal muscles, skeletal means ये जो लिखा हुआ है ना, straight muscle cells, okay, this is the skeletal muscle cells, okay, they help in locomotion, है ना, biceps femoris, and smooth muscles means they are present in the vesica of our body, है ना, muscle in the wall of stomach, है ना, so this is a smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle cell means only seen in the heart, okay, contraction of this muscle help in pumping of blood throughout our body, okay, understood everyone what is muscle tissue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then next one is nerve tissue, okay, so nerve tissue also divided a three parts, है ना, nerve tissue also divided a three parts, and जब मैं आप लोगों का न्यूरॉन सिस्टम जब आप लोगों को स्टडी कराऊंगी तब मैं आप लोगों को इसके बारे में और डिटेल से भी बताऊंगी, ठीक है, so nerve tissue divided a mainly three parts, central nervous system, peripheral nervous system and autonomic nervous system, वैसे मैंने कल इसके बारे में आप लोग को इंट्रोडक्शन दिया था, right, what is central nervous system, what is peripheral nervous system and what is autoimmune system, बताया था ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So normally nervous system means consist of a central nervous system, na, peripheral nervous system, autonomic nervous system means help in sending different kind of information, okay, to brain, है ना, and bringing it response back from brain to our effector organs, okay, so this is the nerve tissue, understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Our cell and tissue are completed. Then next one is gland. Okay. So what is gland? Gland means, what is gland? Gland is a group of cell, okay, in an animal's body, and that synthesize substance like hormones, you know, releasing, you know, endocrine glands, exocrine glands, you know, blood stream. So this is a gland, okay, group of cells in a body, na, synthesize substance means hormones. So this is a gland. Okay, and mainly glands are divided according to their function, means according to secretion, according to structure, according to function. Okay, so firstly we are discussing according to secretion. Okay, you कभी सुना है exocrine gland, endocrine glands, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
सुने हो क्या होता है endocrine and exocrine glands?
Said in the
Ma'am, endocrine gland is the inner part of the gland.
Inner part of the
This is the endocrine gland. Okay, endocrine gland in human, pituitary, pancreas, okay, thyroid, adrenal, ovaries. So हो रहा है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
This is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
endocrine gland. Okay, thyroid, adrenal, है ना? Thyroid gland बोलते हैं ना? Okay, so this is a thyroid gland, and this is a pituitary gland, pancreas gland, testis gland. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? So mainly on your video, all of you, what is gland? So secreting part of duct. Okay, mainly divided now glands in 3 parts according to secretion, according to structure, and according to function. So first study according to secretion. So according to secretion means exocrine and endocrine. So exocrine means those glands which require ducts for the passage of their secretion are known as exocrine glands. Okay, and what is exocrine gland means? Like sperm, okay, like sweating, है ना? Salivary gland. So this is a normal exocrine gland. Okay, and endocrine gland means which gland pours their secretion directly into blood are known as endocrine glands. Okay, are ductless gland means like thyroid gland. Now this is a directly secretion into blood. Okay, so this is the endocrine glands. Okay, and endocrine system, different endocrine system na. So endocrine, especially endocrine system, mean general function of hormone secretion. Okay, and hormone secretion means help regulate our body, growth our and development of our body. Okay, reproduction of our body. Okay, so this is the main function of endocrine system or endocrine glands. Okay, and according to structure. According to a structure, glands are divided again 2 parts. Okay, simple structure and compound structure. Okay, so simple structure means normally simple. Okay, ducts are not branches. है ना? Glands, ducts are not branches. This is a simple gland. Okay, but compound glands means where duct are branches. ठीक है? समझ आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है? ग्लैंड्स को 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है ना, अकॉर्डिंग टू सिक्रेशन, अकॉर्डिंग टू स्ट्रक्चर, अकॉर्डिंग टू फंक्शन. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू सिक्रेशन क्या है? एंडोक्राइन एंड एक्सोक्राइन. अकॉर्डिंग टू स्ट्रक्चर, स्ट्रक्चर में क्या आएगा आपका? सिंपल एंड दिस इज अ सिंपल. ओके, शो हो रहा है सबको? दिस इज अ सिंपल, नो ब्रांचेस. Okay, this is a simple, no branches. Okay, means no ducts, है ना? This duct are no branches. This is a simple glands. Okay, but compound glands means duct are branches. Okay, just wait, मैं वो भी show करती हूँ with branches.